Number 4. Wealthy people invest in stocks. The importance of investing while accumulating wealth cannot be overstated. Very few of us have the financial resources to grow our wealth effectively with only a savings account. Instead, the compounding returns that come with investing are required to accumulate significant wealth over time. Most people often have the opportunity for tax-advantaged investments, most often through your employer. These enable your money to grow more efficiently and can make a significant difference in the long run. However, don't overlook taxable investment opportunities. Investing in the stock market, real estate, or other assets can help you grow your wealth faster than just putting it in a savings account. Investing in stocks entails purchasing small stakes in a publicly traded company. Those small shares are referred to as the company's stock, and by investing in it, you are hoping that the company will grow and perform well over time. If this occurs, your shares may become more valuable, and other investors may be willing to purchase them from you for a higher price than you paid for them. That means if you decide to sell them, you could make a profit. So make sure to do your homework, and you might be the next Warren Buffett in the making. So make sure not to miss the next important key, and keep accelerating your financial knowledge by clicking on the next video of this series. I'll see you over there.